Hey, what's going on, guys? It's David, and I wanted to shoot this quick video to show you something that came in this morning. And primarily, I'm shooting this video to show you the difference between why it matters what you promote. Especially as an affiliate marketer and someone who's trying to make money online, it's important that you pick what you promote carefully because it can literally be the difference between you making a little bit of money or no money at all to you making a lot of money. So let me show you something that just came in on the screen. So hopefully you guys can see this. This is today, right now, like March 4th, 2020. And this morning I got a notification in my PayPal account, which I barely use anymore because I use something else now. But basically it's a commission for $326.55. Now, if you look at this, you think, okay, this is pretty cool, receiving a $300 commission. But the difference is, between making $326 commissions and making over $120,000 with another product that basically is the same type of a product, but the only difference is you just get to make a lot more. So what am I talking about here? I'm talking about the new system that I just released, which is called Passport Profits. And what this does is basically it's a completely done for you system that comes with multiple commission programs built into it. And one of them is, this thing right here. Whereas you can see, here's a commission for $326, which I've earned a lot more from this company. But this is just a recent commission versus what I've earned lifetime with just one program, which is over $120,000. So this is a huge difference. So especially with this program here, what I do is I basically already pick the programs for you, so you don't have to think about what do I promote, how do I promote it, and all that kind of stuff. And everything is already built into the system. And I'm going to show you in a second what the different streams of income streams are. And you're going to get to see exactly, why is it that you should promote these specific income streams versus others. I mean, you got a choice, right? You can promote anything you want, but why not promote the stuff that actually makes you the big dollars versus peanuts, right? So let me just flip the screen over here and show you. So this is basically where the system starts. If you haven't seen this before, you just enter your email here, but you probably did that already. And then after that, you're going to get to a page like this where it basically, talks about how the system works a little bit and my results and other people's results. And if you look here, I mean, I'm not the only one getting results from promoting these products. Here's Sam, who bought a brand new Mercedes and made $11,000 in his first 37 days. Here's Kelly, who did $5,000, her first $5,000 week ever. Here's Mac, who did $42,000 in one day, and a lot more testimonials. I mean, I'm going to send you the link to this page so you can see exactly how this works. But basically, the system is simple. This is the page you're going to see immediately after you watch the testimonials. And what's going to happen here is there's a webinar here that I want you to watch. Literally, this is the only thing you need to do. Just watch this webinar. It's going to take about an hour for you to watch it, but it's going to explain exactly what the income streams are, how do you set them up, and how do you get traffic to turn it on. You do not need to send any emails. You do not need to tinker with creating videos. You don't need to do any of that. On the webinar, I actually show you how to set up everything. Example, this is the first income stream right here. And all you do, I'll show you this on the webinar, is you basically click here to sign up, select what level you want to come in at, and then put your ID here and you're basically done. Same thing for this. This is a pay-per-lead program that you get to make commissions even if people don't buy anything. And also here we've got the income stream that I just showed you, which is over here, $120,000. Promoting a click tracker. So you can earn up to $748 in commissions. And just click here, check it out. And once you sign up, just put your affiliate ID here and click save. So this is really, really simple. I mean, we're talking about the simplest system I've ever potentially created and possibly simplest system I've ever seen also. And I've seen pretty much all of them. And all you got to do is just click the link you see just below the video here and watch the testimonials. Figure out, first of all, if this is for you. Like this is, and I want to emphasize this is important. If you're the type that likes to roll up their sleeves and shoot videos and create landing pages and do all those things, that's great, but this is not for you. I can tell you right now. This is a completely done for you system for people who maybe are short on time. Maybe you got a busy schedule, busy life, and you just want somebody else to do all the work for you. And that somebody's me, right? I've already created all the pages. I've already got the proof for you. So you don't have to prove anybody why they should join. All the testimonials are already on the page with videos and everything. If you don't want to even worry about sending a single email out, no problem. It's already created. And this is one of the examples of the videos that I shoot that I send to your leads when they enter the system. And I show you also how to get the traffic. So all you got to do is just set everything up. Make sure also, very important, to set up the last income stream, which is huge Bitcoin commissions. We're talking over 16,000, somewhere around $16,500 in a single commission. Single commission, one. How many of those do you need to have a good month? Not talking about a week or a day. Just one of those a month and you're golden. And you can get started with that income stream specifically, with zero money out of pocket. And there's a phone team that you can call and ask them questions and everything that you need. So that's basically it for this video. Hopefully, I know it's a little dark because I'm shooting this from my phone, but that's all I wanted to show you. Click the link below. Check it out. If this is for you, if you're the type of person that just wants somebody else to take care of all the heavy lifting, then I really encourage you to click the link below. If you're the type that's like, I want to build stuff and I want to be on the computer 12 hours a day, this is not for you. 100% this is not for you. You can continue buying courses and attending seminars and all that and build your thing. I encourage you to do that. But this system is for a different type of a person. This is for somebody who doesn't have time. This is for somebody who wants someone else to take care of everything, and just once the commission comes in, just send you the commission. That's it. Like, I don't even send it to you. You get it directly, because this is a member-to-member type of the first program and the last program are member-to-member. So you get the commissions directly sent to you. So that's it for this video. Make sure to think about how is it that you want to make money online. If you want to make big commissions and you want this to be something that, is really impactful and not dealing with, I've done the whole promoting $7 products and $10 products. It didn't take me anywhere. I can tell you that. Like, I'm sitting in a brand new house right now that I've bought, and this house didn't come as a result of selling $7 products. If you want to make big dollars, you got to get involved with programs that pay you big money. And this is one of those programs. This is a system that promotes those types of programs. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.